Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a disperse effect to your video in CapCut PC Pro. Let's dive in. First, drag your video onto the timeline. Cut the video as needed. Then, select the video, go to the right side of the screen, and click on Animation. Under the Out category, locate the Disperse Effect. Simply click on it to apply the Disperse Effect to your video. You can adjust the animation duration according to your preference. And there you have it. Your video now has the Disperse Effect added to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.